Explore the elegance and security of IWD exquisite wrought iron doors. Crafted with precision, each door features intricate designs that not only secure your home, but also enhance its beauty. Equipped with robust locks and premium hardware, your safety is our top priority. High-quality tempered glass panels allow natural light to brighten your entryway, while maintaining privacy and security. Operable glass windows designed for optimal ventilation and easy cleaning. Optional screens can be added. Engineered for smooth operation, our doors glide effortlessly, making every entrance a breeze. Experience the perfect blend of security, style, and sophistication with IWD wrought iron doors. Welcome home! Whether you're looking for a classic or contemporary style, our wrought iron doors are customizable to match your home's unique character.